Welcome to our new section. Today we are going to study reflection of light. Let us consider a screen. A light is coming in this direction, and if I place an object here, we know it will form a shadow on the screen. We are familiar with formation of sharp shadows like this. What the idea we are getting from it? We know the light travels in straight line. So the path that takes by light is straight line. That is why this sharp shadow is formed. If the light travels in straight line path, then it will indicate as a ray of light. So if you are saying a ray of light, then we are saying that light travels in straight line path. There are certain phenomena like diffraction which cannot explained with the concept of light travels in straight line path. It requires to consider light as a wave. This we will study in higher classes in another videos. In this chapter, we are going to study reflection and refraction of light, which requires to consider light as a ray. That is, light travels in straight line path. In this video, we are going to study about reflection of light. What is reflection of light? We already studied reflection of light in previous classes, and we are very familiar with this reflection of light. Let us explain it once more. We are having two mediums, and I am saying this is first medium and this is second medium. So there is an interface between the first medium and the second medium. Reflection is that it is bounced back to the same medium if it approaches an interface of two medium. So we call it as the first medium and this is the second medium, and this is the interface between these two mediums, and anything falls on the interface, it will bounce back to the same medium, and this we call it is the reflection. If it is a light, we can denote like this, and it will fall on the interface and it will bounce back to the same medium, and this we call reflection of light. So in reflection, what happens? The light will bounce back to the medium it originates. This is the first medium. The first medium is the medium it originates in this case, and bounce back to the same medium. In earlier classes, you already studied about the laws of reflection. For that, we need to draw a normal to the surface. What is a normal to a surface? Normal to a surface at the point of incidence is the line perpendicular to the tangent to the curve at that point. So we are drawing a normal at the point of incidence here. So this is normal This is incident ray and this is reflected ray. What are the laws of reflection? First law is that angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. What is the angle of incidence here? It is the angle between incident ray and the normal. I can denote it as I. What is the angle of reflection? It is the angle between reflected ray to the normal. I denote it as R. So I can write I is equal to R. So the first law is that angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Now what is second law? Second law states that the incident ray reflected ray and normal to the surface at the point of incidence all lie in same plane. So all these, that is incident ray, normal and reflected ray, are lie in the same plane. So these are the two laws of reflection. Here now we are going to understand two types of surfaces. First one is plane surface. What is a plane surface? Plane surfaces are simply flat surfaces. That is a surface like this. For an example, you can see the surface of a cube. We know the faces of the cube is flat surface or plane surface. In practical examples, you can say the top of your table or flat screens of your laptops, like that. Second is a curved surface. What is a curved surface? Surfaces that are not flat. For an example, we know the curved surface of a cylinder. So this is a curved surface, or the surface of a sphere. It is a curved surface, or the bent surface of a spoon. They are examples of curved surface. This you already studied in previous classes, and also you studied about plane mirror. Before concluding this video, let us just rewind it here. What is a plane mirror? Plane mirror is a plane reflecting surface. So it is a plane surface, but it has the property to reflect the light. We already studied about the image formed by a plane mirror. We know it is always virtual and erect. Image formed are virtual and erect. We know if you see your face in a plane mirror, you are seeing size of the image is same as the size of your face. So the third property is size of the image is same as the size of the object. If you are just in front of the mirror, then the image will also be very close to you. And if you are far away from the mirror, then the image formed will also be far away from the mirror. So the image formed is far behind the mirror as the object is in front of it. So the image formed is as far behind the mirror as the object is in front of it. And the last property is the image is laterally inverted. What do you mean by the lateral inversion? Lateral inversion means that the apparent reversal of the mirror image left and right when compared with the object. That is, if you just compare your image with yourself, you can see the left and right are apparently reversed. So lateral just means that sideways. So the last property here we studied is that the image is laterally inverted. So in this video we studied about ray of light, reflection of light, laws of reflection of light, surfaces and reflection in a plane mirror. We will study more about spherical mirrors and reflection by spherical mirrors in coming videos. Stay tuned with us. Thank you for watching this video. Keep learning. If you are not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe it. Also, please like and share this video.